Nervous system. The nervous system consisting of three parts: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and sympathetic nervous system. Central nervous system. Central nervous system lies within the ventral hemothalamic channel and consists of a nerve ring, a ventral cord, and a terminal ganglionic mass. Brain is rather smaller and segmental ganglion. Anterior nerve ring. It includes a small dorsal brain formed of a pair of fused cerebral or suprapharyngeal ganglia, situated dorsally above the anterior part of pharynx, behind the median dorsal jaw in the fifth segment. It is connected by a pair of short and stout lateral peripharyngeal connectives, one on either side of pharynx, with a ventral subpharyngeal ganglionic mass situated beneath of pharynx in fifth segment. Cerebral ganglion and subpharyngeal ganglionic mass represent the ganglia of first five segment. Ventral nerve cord. Ventral nerve cord arises from the posterior end of subpharyngeal ganglionic mass and run backwards along the midventral line from 6th to 26th segment. Although it appears single, it is really double. It carries at wide intervals 21 well-formed ganglia, each located in the first annulus of its own segment. Nerve cord is made up of nerve cells and their nerve fibers. Nerve cells are confined to ganglia where they surround the nerve fibers. The entire nerve cord is covered with a protective sheath, the neurolemma. Terminal ganglionic mass. The ventral nerve cord ends in a large ovoid terminal ganglionic mass situated within the posterior sucker. It is formed by the fusion of 7 pairs of embryonic ganglia of the last 7 segments that constitute the posterior sucker. Peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists of paired nerves arising from ganglia of central nervous system. A pair of a small optic nerve arising anteriorly from brain or cerebral ganglia and runs forward to supply the first pair of eyes as well as prostomium and roof of buccal chamber. 4 pairs of optic nerves arise laterally from subpharyngeal ganglionic mass and supply the second, third, fourth, and fifth pairs of eyes. Some nerves arise ventrally from the ganglionic mass and supply the floor of buccal cavity, muscle of body wall, and segmental receptor organs of anterior 5 segments. The ganglion of ventral nerve cord gives off 2 pairs of nerves, the anterior laterals and posterior laterals. Anterior laterals arising anteriorly from ganglion. They are tough nerves and branch to supply the nephridium vesicle, vas deferens, muscle of body wall, ventral receptors, and 2 outer dorsal receptor of their own side. Posterior laterals arising from the posterior part of ganglion. They are also stout nerves which branch to supply the viscera, dorsal body wall, rest of dorsal receptors, and testis 6 of their own side. Terminal ganglionic mass send off several nerves supplying the receptor organs and other structures found in the posterior sucker. Autonomous nervous system or sympathetic nervous system. It is consist of an extensive nerve plexus lying beneath of epidermis with Reproductive system. Leech is hermaphroditic. Each individual contains a complete set of well-differentiated male and female reproductive organs. They never show self-fertilization. Cross-fertilization takes place by copulation. Male reproductive organs. Male reproductive organs are testis, sex, vasa efferentia, vasa deferentia, epididymis, ejaculatory ducts, and atrium. Testis sex. There are 11 pairs of small spherical testis sacs situated in 12 to 22nd segments. They are located ventrally, one on either side of the ventral nerve cord. Vasa efferentia. It arises from the posterior lateral border of testis sac and runs outward to join the common vas deferens of its side. All the vasa efferentia of one side open into the common vas deferens of that side. Vasa deferentia. Vasa deferens is a slender longitudinal wavy duct lying on ventral body wall parallel to the nerve cord and extending forward from 22nd to 11th segment. Epididymis. Both the vas deferens in 10th segment swells to form a highly convoluted mass called the epididymis. The two epididymes serve to store spermatozoa brought by the vasa deferentia. Ejaculatory ducts. From anterior and inner end of each epididymis arises a short and narrow ejaculatory duct. Atrium. Ejaculatory ducts of both sides join a median pyriform sac called atrium, which extending into 9th and 10th segments and opening outside by the male genital pore. Atrium consists of two parts, a vase-like broad anterior prostate chamber and a neck-like narrow posteriorly directed penis sac. Female reproductive organs. Female reproductive organs are compact and include ovisacs, ovaries, oviducts, common oviduct, and vagina. Ovisacs. There is a single pair of hollow globular coelomic sacs situated ventrally in 11th segment, one on either side of ventral nerve cord. Ovaries. Each ovisac is filled with coelomic fluid, in which a minute, delicate, coiled, thread-like and nucleated ovary floats, from which ova are bud off. Oviducts. Base of each ovisac is continued into a short and slender tube called oviduct, which runs inward and backwards. Common oviduct. Right oviduct passes beneath the ventral nerve cord and unite with the left one in 11th segment to form a single and median common oviduct, which is folded and leads behind into vagina. Vagina. Vagina is a large and pear-shaped muscular bag, which lies mid-ventrally in the posterior part of 11th segment.